Hi, and welcome to Teacher Nell's Learning Resources, your place to listen, read, and enjoy amazing short stories. Let's get started. A Day of Adding, Part 1. Mil Flores Ponciano. One morning, Tom woke up and looked at his collection of tops. His favorite tops were black, and he had seven of them. Tom was excited to add more tops to his collection. So, soon after breakfast, his friend Mon came over and gave him three more black tops. Tom tried to add them together and said, I don't know how many black tops I have now. Mon showed his notebook in math and said, Last week, my math teacher taught me how to add numbers. Look at my notes. How to add with sums up to 20. First, know the addends. Addends are the numbers to be added. For example, in the number sentence, 10 plus 6 equals blank. The addends 10 and 6. Second, write the addends vertically. Then, add the numbers in one's place. Last, copy the number in the tens place. The answer is called the sum. Even when you exchange the position of the addends, the steps and the sum will always the same. Example, 6 plus 10 equals 16. 14 plus 5 equals 19. And 5 plus 14 also 19. 12 plus 8 equals 20. And they are the same. 8 plus 12 equals 20. Always remember that when you add any number with zero, the sum will always be the number. Example, 12 plus 0 equals 12. 18 plus 0 equals 18. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 16 plus 0 equals 16. These notes were written by Mon. Mon explained to Tom the steps in adding numbers. After listening to Mon, Tom's tooth ached. His tooth hurt when he drank cold water. The pain got worse. Mon told Tom to rinse his mouth with warm salt water. Tom also took some pain medicine. Mon said, the best thing to do is to visit the dentist. The dentist will find out why your tooth hurts and help fix it. That's it for today's story. Friends, if you had fun, give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next adventure with Teacher Nels. Till next time, happy learning!